Welcome back to Troy Drone Flights, and I'm Troy. I know it feel like it's been forever since I've done a drone video, and it has been some time. Within the last year and a half, I've moved from another state back to another state, so I'm out here again, getting back into the hobby, getting this channel back up and rolling again. But yeah, I still got the Air 2S, still a hell of a drone to fly, and I'm going to be flying that in a moment. But I'm back in Massachusetts. Going to be bringing you guys some more footage of Massachusetts from different perspectives, different areas, also Rhode Island as well. But I'm just excited to be back in a space where I can capture footage like I used to on a more consistent basis. And I will be bringing you guys more footage and more drone footage on consistent basis as much as I can. But again, I'm in a space now where, you know, things are a lot more easier to navigate in life. And, you know, and I'm just trying to be as transparent as possible when it comes to my channel, like I've always been in the past. But now I feel like I'm in a better space to get back into flying drones, and I'm excited. I'm looking to purchase another drone too, by the way, a more newer one, even though I have several drones at this moment that still run great. But let's get into some drone flights right now with your boy. I'm back.